Make sure you have found all the parts you need for your sand filter. Flowclear recommends silica sand with a grain size of 0.45 to 0.85 millimeters. I use silica sand with a grain size of 0.2 to 0.7 millimeters, which works well for me. The skimmer in the filter has a minimum and maximum marking for the amount of sand. Place the skimmer in the filter container and put your sand protection cap on. The sand filter will not work properly if you get sand in the skimmer. It takes approximately 9 kilograms, 20 pounds to fill this model to the maximum mark. Nailed it, a perfect pour. Remove the sand filter cover before you start assembling. Start with the hose between the pump and the filter to get everything in the right position. Remember that each hose connection has a gasket to prevent leaks. With the hose connected, the valve is in the correct position and can be secured with clamps. The clamps make the joint between the valve and the filter waterproof. If you are not used to a power tool, use a Phillips screwdriver instead, so it doesn't break. Remember the gaskets in all hose connections, they only fit one way. Five times the speed. The hose connections on the sand filter are marked with the same letters as on the pool. Connect the hoses, fill up the pool, and have a wonderful summer with clean pool water. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to get noticed on the next video on this channel.